Chief 2 will get one, but it's going to be on the third floor. Chief 2 dispatch.
What is that, Chief 2?
Chief 2, the resident that reported this resides at unit 311, but she's stating it's not directly at that apartment unit.
Copy.
1730.